Hello guys, with you SAIDIOLOY. I want to show you something here. This is okra. This one here. I know you sometimes you wonder which kind of fruit is that. Yeah, this is okra. It's called vinda in Kiswahili. So if you want, I want to show you how we used to cook it, and I know there is so many recipe. Though I am not a chef, but naturally, if something you have to eat, you have to cook yourself, man. So this is a okra. You can see you put it in water. I have already cut onion, although I am supposed to show you how, but onion is something you used to. So here you fry it until it turns golden brown. After that, you will put tomato. This is tomato I have already cut. So while the onion and tomato are frying, this is how you cut. I'm gonna show you. So let me show you. You washed with enough water. So you rinse it. So I have already put it in water. So you're supposed to rinse it properly. So rinse it properly. Like you should have enough water so that it can be clean. You select them one by one. This is a part. This part you cut or you remove it. So you cut this way. Then after that, you slice them. There's so many ways of cutting it. You can either cut it very small like this, or you can cut into two. Just cut like this. This one also working like this too is also okay, but you can also choose to cut very small like this, so that it can bring out the thickness. You need that thickness. You cover it for some time. This is how you cook it. Before you put water, you leave it for some time.